Hi, my name is Nicolas Di Leo. I'm the owner of Di Leo Laser Clean in Canary Island. We are in Spain. I've been 2.5 years working with service of laser cleaning. This is a Hanten machine of laser pulse cleaner. Is 1.5 megajoules, 100 watts of power, and the lens is 160 millimeters. I use it for working stone, metals, and some works of wood. Hanten is a pretty good machinery. We are very happy with them. They help all the time and they solve all the questions, and the machine works very good even in the condition we have here that is very high temperature. So this is a air cooling system and works perfectly at 40 degrees under the sun, no problem at all. So we recommend HANTENCNC if you are thinking to buy a machine. They are very good professionals and they help you in all the things you can need. So if you are interested to buy a machinery, I can recommend HANTENCNC.